and starts to come upward. I got busy in fight as she comes up to the ship's deck, but someone from enemy side cut the rope. She fell down in the water. She is struggling in the water as she was seriously injured. I realized that she could not come up by herself. I jumped in the water and got her. Our fight is almost finished. Only a few people from enemy side were giving tough fight. Someone put the rope down from the ship to help us to come upwards. I grabbed the rope and put her before me. We reached on the ship. After that we all cheered for our victory. Everyone goes back to their work. I took the Stellar to the nearby room. The room is full of valuable things. I placed her on the bed. I helped her bandage to the wounded part. She just lied on the bed and after some time slept. As I was going out of the room, I noticed a small ship closed in the bottle. As I touched that bottle, everything changed. I found myself in the antique store in the mall, analyzing the same ship very closely. The shop is full of antique things. Ship is exactly the same which I was analyzing on that blue ship. For some time I could not understand what happened to me. I considered what had happened to me is just a dream. I took my bags and towards the mall exit. I go down through the stairs and step in that revolving exit door.